In this video, we are talking big picture. What is volume? Volume, if you're talking about your TV, is how loud something is. In math class, however, volume has a different meaning. I want you to think back for a moment about perimeter and area. So remember, perimeter is if I have a shape and I want to go all the way around the outside. That would be perimeter. Area would be all of this space on the inside. Now, the reason I bring this up is because volume relates to these two concepts. So what is volume? Volume is when we have a container or a 3D shape that can hold something. So for example, a water bottle. Water goes into the water bottle and it can hold it. And we can have big water bottles and we can have small water bottles. So the volume is how much water can that water bottle hold. Or volume is how much cereal can fit inside of this cereal box. Or volume can also be seen as how much water can fit inside of this pool. Okay, so volume is the space inside of a shape. And we always, when we're looking at math topics, we call these kind of shapes 3D figures, or sometimes we call them solids. And there's lots and lots of many different types. So this first one here, you see how the front of it is a triangle? There's like a triangle in the front and then another triangle in the back, and then it's connected. Okay, this is called a triangular prism. Triangular prism. Here I have a kind of looks like a square, but it could maybe be a rectangle, right? This is called a rectangular prism. This next shape, where it's a circle on the top and on the bottom, is called a cylinder. This next one that just looks like a ball, that is called a sphere. Now this next one, where it's a circle on the bottom, but then it's a point on the top, we call that a cone. And the last one, when it's a rectangle on the bottom and a point on the top, that is called a pyramid. And for all of these 3D figures, we can calculate their volume, or we can calculate how much stuff could we put on the inside of that shape.